Hey, as usual, it's always great to have you here. We're excited to introduce a well-being super-mental tool, the Daily Thought Log. Wait, what the heck is that? A daily thought log is a simple yet powerful tool used in cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT. It's designed to help you understand and change your thought patterns. How does that work? Essentially, it works to analyze, identify, and positively criticize our thoughts more directly. By laying them out visually, we can see a pattern of how our behaviors influence each other. Neat, hey? Ready to start one? To start a daily thought log, grab a notebook or open a digital journal. The medium doesn't matter as long as you're comfortable with it. Create 5 columns titled Situation, Thought, Emotion, Evidence For, and Evidence Against. These columns will guide you through the process of dissecting your thoughts. In the Situation column, jot down the triggering event. This is the context or scenario that led to your automatic thought. Maybe it's a stressful day at work or an argument with a friend. These situations often trigger automatic thoughts that can affect your mood. Next, under Thought, write the automatic thought that popped into your head. This is your initial, unfiltered reaction to the situation. This could be something like, "I'm not good enough," or "they don't care about me." These thoughts can be quite revealing. Next up, the Emotion column. This is where you identify the feelings that arose from your automatic thought. How did that thought make you feel? Anxious, sad, angry? Be honest with yourself. This step is crucial for understanding the impact of your thoughts. Now let's challenge that thought. This is where the real work begins. In the Evidence For column, list any evidence that supports your automatic thought. This helps you see if there's any truth to your initial reaction. Then, in the Evidence Against column, write down evidence that contradicts it. This step is about finding balance and questioning the validity of your thoughts. This process helps you see your thoughts from a different perspective and question their validity. Like, are they even for real? Over time, you'll notice patterns and start to develop healthier, more balanced ways of thinking. Using a daily thought log regularly can have profound benefits. It's a practice that promotes self-awareness and emotional intelligence. It's having an adult conversation with yourself, but one that leads to growth and self-improvement. Each entry is a step towards a better understanding of yourself. Imagine waking up each day feeling more in control of your thoughts and your anxiety, and being more resilient in the face of challenges. That's the power of a daily thought log. It's a small daily habit that can lead to significant changes in your mental health. Starting is the hardest part, but once you do, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Start logging your thoughts today and see how it transforms your mental landscape. Please share this video with anyone who might benefit from this life-changing tool. Your support means the world to me. Take care and see you next time. Keep journaling and stay positive.